When Hap Peterson was diagnosed with melanoma 13 years ago, there was little hope for a cure.
I said, "Doctor, I don't feel sick." She said, "I can assure you, you're very sick." And my wife said, "How sick?" She said, "Well, he should get his affairs in order." And Jan, my wife, said, "Well, how much time do you think?" He says, "I'd say 3 to 6 months."
Thankfully, a clinical trial for a new melanoma drug was available at UAMS, giving Mr. Peterson hope.
Dr. Hutchins says, "Would you be interested in doing a trial because that dicarbazine is not working any longer?" And I said, "Doctor, I'll do anything. I most certainly will." My first infusion was in August of 2008, and I had them every, I believe, 12 weeks until September of 2013, 5 years worth. And so here I am.
Thanks to advancements in research, many patients, like Mr. Peterson, are overcoming cancer and living long, productive lives. Others, however, do not have the same positive outcome. Researchers at UAMS are working to change that.
Yeah, so my research is really focused on leveraging existing ways to treat melanoma and making those treatments better. So currently about half of the patients will be responsive to this type of immunotherapy treatment, but the other half are not. So we're very interested in really bringing this therapy to these people that are typically non-responders and making them responders, and then hopefully having high cure success like we see with many of the responsive patients.
UAMS researcher Dr. Donald Johan also works to improve the lives of Arkansans and others by addressing one of our state's biggest health challenges, lung cancer.
The state of Arkansas has had a lung cancer incidence higher than the national average for over 20 years.
Dr. Johan's team is addressing this issue with an FDA-funded study that could change the way lung cancer and other cancers are diagnosed, monitored, and treated.
The goal is to use a routine blood draw and then to extract the genetic material from that into a sequencing assay and come up with a personalized therapy plan for that patient, all based on just a routine blood draw.
Research advances like these are vital to the health of Arkansans, but they don't happen overnight. While cancer research takes years of commitment by innovative scientists, it also requires ongoing support to move discoveries from the lab to the clinic. Achieving designation by the National Cancer Institute would provide this valuable support benefiting all Arkansans.
It's going to really transform how patients receive care and how we do research in Arkansas, and it's going to put really Arkansas on the map nationally. We're going to be operating at a very high level. Patients are going to have access to all types of clinical trials. A lot of Arkansans won't have to travel out of state to get treatments.
Number one, NCI designation is so important on a personal level for people that are seeking treatment. They can stay in the state of Arkansas and save money. But secondary to that is the ability and the opportunity for all the research money and the research dollars to come to the state and the research personnel. Let's not forget, when you have that type of an NCI designated cancer center, it's going to attract the best and the brightest at all levels, and that includes the students that are going to be attending all of the colleges that UAMS offers.
In addition to these benefits, NCI designation is estimated to provide a $72 million annual economic impact to the state.
I hope people will be inspired to see that our legislature put in a $10 million annual commitment towards this goal. And I hope other people across the state will see that. I hope they join in, and I hope it's this huge collective effort with everybody, no matter where they are in their support level of this pursuit. If they're a $5 donor or a $10 donor or $2 million donor, I think people will really rally around us pursuing this because it's such a game-changing thing for our state.